Hi guys, happy Monday. We're going to start out with our rhyming today. Remember, you're going to watch me and then you will repeat. Ready? And then you're going to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if they rhyme. All right. Play, stay. Chair, me. Wet, net. Harp, sharp. Joke, mess. Great. The next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words and then the sound they start with. Then it's your turn. Men, mouse, Pale, pour, p. Name, nest, Ton, tuck, t. Hair, hold, h. Nice job. The next one, we're going to blend our sounds, all right? So you're going to need your choppers for this one. And you're going to repeat after me. B, E, B. S, E, C. F, E, fee. K, E, key. M, E, me. Nice job. All right, our next one is our roller coaster. So remember, we're going to start. You're going to watch me do my roller coaster, then it's your turn, then you're going to tell me the middle sound. Can, k, Middle sound, ah, you got it. Net, et. Middle sound, eh. Sit, s, it. Middle sound, I. Top, t, op. Middle sound, ah. Jump, j, ump. Middle sound, you got it. Nice job. Okay, the next one, you're going to need your choppers again. We're going to say the whole word first, then we're going to chop it into 2 pieces. No, n-o. Low, l-o. Go, g-o. So, s-o. Toe, t-o. Great, okay. Our next one, we're going to be adding sounds. All right, so you're going to repeat after me. E. Add h. He. A. Add d. Day. Ooh. Add t. Two. I. Add p. Pie. O. Add l. Low. Nice. All right, now we're going to delete parts of our words. So you're going to hold a little word in your hands, and then we're going to take away a piece of it, all right? Your word is pay. Without P, what's left is A. B. Without B, what's left is E. High. Without H, what's left is I. Go. Without G, what's left is O. To. Without T, what's left is ooh. Nice one. All right, our next one is our newer one. It's about substituting sounds, all right? So you're going to need 2 fists for this one, and we're going to be changing the beginning of our word. All right, your word is B. Change the B to S. C. C. Change the S to N. Knee. Knee. Change the N to Me. Me. Change the to F. Fee. Fee. Change the F to B. B. Nice job, everybody. Hope you have a great Monday and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.